Hello everyone, welcome back to ML Science Studio. Today video is on the some mathematical operation in a NumPy. First is a log function. NumPy log function calculate the natural logarithm. Is a base is a e of a given input. It is used array, scalar and matrices. How to perform NumPy operation in a NumPy? Okay, go to the Jupyter notebook and first import the library. Import NumPy as np. Okay, create a array and calculate the log value of a given array. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and create a variable b. np dot log function is calculate the value of log. Okay, and print the b. Value of log is log 1 is a 0. Okay, value of log 2 is a 0.693 and value of 3 is a 1.098. And second logarithm perform in matrix. Create a matrix. Suppose I want to create a matrices np dot variable np dot array. Okay, and matrix value 1, 2. Create a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, 2 and 2 and 3. Okay, create a variable np dot log method is calculate the value of given array. Okay, print the b. Print the b. A value of the given matrices of log value. 1 is a 0 and 2 is a 0. And 2 is a also 2 is a 0.93 and 3 is a 1.093. And another operation in a NumPy is a LCM, means lowest common multiple. Is the smallest number that is a common multiple of two numbers. Okay, and calculate the LCM of two numbers. Okay, first variable is a 4 and second variable is a suppose 6. Okay, and calculate the LCM of two number. np dot LCM method is calculate the LCM of two number. Print the x. Okay, function is calculate the LCM of a two number, and 4 into 3 is a 12 and 6 into 2 is a 12. Okay, lowest common multiple is a 12. Okay, and find the LCM of the value of the following array. Okay, first create a array. How to perform LCM operation in a array? Okay, create a array np dot array and function is 3, 6 and value. Okay, and create a variable np dot LCM dot reduce of array. A reduce function is calculate the LCM of array element. Okay, and print the x. 3 into 6 is 18 and 6 into 3 is 18 and 9 into 2 is 18. Okay, lowest common multiple is 18. Okay, and another is HCF. It is also known as highest. It is also known as GCD. GCD means greatest common denominator. Okay, and it is the highest value of common factor of the both of the number. Calculate the GDC of a two number. Suppose this example and copy this and paste it and calculate the GCD of a two number. GCD. Okay. GCD of a two number is 2. Okay, and also reduce method used to the calculate the array of element of GCD operation. Okay, GCD is of given array is 3, and some other type of mathematical operation is a trigonometric operation. How to calculate the sine value in a numpy and cos, tan, sec, cosec. Okay, first is find sine value of 180 degree. In a numpy, sine function method is returned to the value of sine. Okay, suppose calculate the value of sine np dot sine function np dot pi. Okay, pi by 2 means 180 degree. Okay, and print the x. 1 minute. Now calculate the value of sine 180 degree. Sine 180 degree is 18. Now similar calculate the tan, cos, sec. Okay, and another type is calculate the array of value in a array value. Okay, like 90 degree, 80 degree. Okay, 270 degree, 360 degree. In method sine np dot sine function and provide the array. Okay, np dot 10 I want to calculate the 10 60 degree. Okay, and calculate the 10 function is used to the 60 degree. Okay, how to convert degree to radian? In this example, discuss the how to convert the degree to radians. Okay, first is create array np dot array. Array is array element is 90 and 180. Okay, 270 degree and 360. Okay, and create another variable np dot store the radian value degree to radian. In numpy, convert the following function degree to following number degree to radian. Okay, is a degree to radian function is a return to the degree element to the radian. Okay, and given array and print the array. Okay, print the x. 90 degree is a 90 degree radian is a 1.57. How to calculate radian? Okay, radian formula is a pi by 180, pi divided by 180 into your degree. Suppose pi by 180, my degree is first element is 90 and calculate is a 180, okay, and suppose your degree is a 180 and calculate the per element and convert into the radian, and so also convert radian to degree, okay, and suppose pass this element and convert to degree to radian, okay. Radian to degree function is a calculate the radian to convert the radian to degree, okay, okay, separated comma errors, okay. 90 degree, 170 degree, so above 269.99 degree and 360 degree, okay, and find the angle of sine. How to calculate angle of sine? In previous example, the calculate the value sine 90 degree, value of sine 90 degree, and how to calculate the angle of 90 degree. Okay, angle of this element 1. Okay, and first is I want to calculate the find the angle of 101. Okay, first is a number provide the arc sines arc tan, calculate the angle of the sine cos tan and produce the radian, result is a radian value. I want to calculate the value, find the angle of 1. Okay, first is a create a variable np dot arc sine function is a return to the well angle, okay, print x is a radian, okay, a radian is a 90 degree, okay, and convert to the this radian into degree, okay, this element, and also calculate the 10 sine 10 cos 10 all element in a trigonometric function, calculate the angle of these, okay. बस arc sin arc tan arc cos arc cosec arc sec and calculate the n in value of the num, okay. I want to suppose calculate the this angle, then according to suppose 0 value, 0 angle, okay, 0 sin 0 is a 0, okay. Also calculate the value of other function in a numpy. Next video is on the how to perform numpy operation on the image data. Thank you for watching this video.